Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a photo or a profile picture on Microsoft's account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now you will be needing to go simply to your Microsoft account and make sure that you are seeing your profile here. And here we have this support article that will show us exactly how you can add your profile photo to Microsoft. Now, as you can see, when connecting to your account, you will find this menu here. And it can be seen like from any application or it can be seen from your Microsoft uh, application. Or you can find it also on the web, like the web version of the Microsoft apps. And basically, you will be needing just to click on your profile, which is this one in our case. I have it here at the bottom and basically you click on it and you will have this profile picture. So you will need just to click on this profile picture and you will be able to modify and update your photo. So here I'm just going to click on it. As you can see, this pop-up or this modal dialog would be showing, and from here you would be needing either to upload a new picture so you can change it completely, or you can simply start modifying on it. In some cases, you will be able to just like resize this picture, like zoom it in, zoom it out. So I'm just going to search for any picture to add, and I'm going to stick with uh, this one. So I'm just going to click on open. And from here, we can add anything. So you can resize it and zoom it in, zoom out. And basically at the end, you will need just to click on apply. So now after clicking on apply, the picture would be saved. And as you can see, we have completely or successfully added the picture. So thank you for watching and see you next time.